Welcome to AC Ball Electrical, where I teach basic electrical in houses, residential, commercial, and pretty much the basics so you can understand what we're doing and how we're doing it. Anyways, if you're new to this video, thank you very much. If you're someone who's already experienced, please move along and let the new people watch a video who really are into the video, who really wants to learn. Thank you very much. So let's move along. I had teach previously how to wire a 3-way with a 4-way integrated into it. All right, this is what we did. If you didn't watch my video, I want you to go back and watch this video so that way you understand how it works and how we can integrate it into it. But now in this video, we're gonna do the 2 dimmers. In order to do that, let's turn the power back off right here, and we're gonna remove all these guys right here so we can integrate the 2 dimmers into the 3-way. So the first thing I want you to do is, if there is a 4-way into it, go ahead and remove that one. Remove the 4-way and stick the 2 wires together like this. Put them together. It's really easy. It's used like the wires were cut off and they got put into a J box, and now you're gonna put them together. Really easy, not complicated. Like that. We put these 2 red ones together and we're gonna push them into the box. Now this serves the purpose of a J box, like that. Now let's go back to the first one here and let's remove it. We're gonna remove the first one, and then we're gonna move along to the next one. Do not get lost. If you're not sure how to do it, please use your cell phone, snap a picture how the wires work together, so that way you keep the photo in your phone and you could be able to look back at it how it was. So it's not a big deal. All you have to do is follow the sequence. All right, I know how to do this and I'll do it really fast, but if it's for you guys, try to do as much information as you can. Do not start taking any wiring apart. Now we're only changing the switch. You're not doing anything with the box, so don't mess with the wiring that is inside, okay? Because then you're gonna have to call an electrician to fix it. So we have the 2 3-ways right here where they're already out. Let's get back and put these 2 guys. Now one is the master, the other one is the companion. Since one is the master and the other one is the companion, we have to make sure that one is in the nearest location where you're gonna turn it off, because one it's only able to turn it off at that specific location. Yes, you can dim the lights, but you cannot turn it off all the way down in the other location. So be specific where you're gonna put the master, close to the location where you're gonna be able to turn it off. So in this case, I'm gonna do it right here. This is where the master is gonna go, and the companion is gonna go on the other way. So let's do the master first, right here. Remember that we have the power off. Since we have the power off, now we can be sure that we can start wiring this master as we're supposed to. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to use the grounding tail and push it in like this. Like I say, if you're only changing the dimmer, you're replacing the dimmer Do not move any of the wiring inside the J-box. Do not do it because you're gonna get lost, okay? So identify your power, which is this one. If you don't know how to do it, use the voltmeter. Turn the power back on and identify the power, okay, which one it is. Now that one, since this is the power, I know that it has to go on the black screw right here where it says common. So since it's going on the common wire, I have to stick it in and tighten it with the screwdriver. Now, really important, when you do these little loops right here, do not make it too long. Make it small enough so they can turn into the screw. Now when you turn it into the screw, make sure they turn clockwise like this, in this direction. See the loop right here? This loop is going clockwise on this direction. If you put it into the right direction like this, you're gonna be able to tighten that loop and stay in there. But if you put it backwards, as you tighten it, the screw is gonna come off. So make sure you tie clockwise. Now the other one, the other cable, the other two cables are used travelers, and they're going from one direction to the other one. The black one and the red one, I hope you see it, that they're going together into the wire. The Romex right here, see, they're coming together. So these are basically used travelers, and that's why you can put together one on one side and the other one on the other one. So let's fix this little guy that he got off from the screw. Let's fix it the right way. I use these little strippers to tie it and close the loop in here, so that way it won't come off again. I know that it takes a little time, but hey, do it right the first time and you don't have to hustle with the wires. So there is the first one here. Now let's keep moving with the next one, and we're gonna do pretty much the same. Okay, like I said before, do not mess with the box inside here. Do not mess with it, okay? Leave it alone. Work on the wires that you're supposed to work to do this, the change out. You're switching the switch that it was in there into the new dimmer. Let's do the ground. Now let's find the common. Again, the common is this guy right here. This is the one that is going to the light fixture, and that one is going onto the black screw. Again, it's going into the black screw, and the other ones are used travelers. Remember that. Now follow your sequence. If in the other one you put the right wire onto the right hand side, now it has to go on the right hand side as well. Put it in there, tighten the screw, and let's do the next one, which is use a traveler. Like I say at the beginning, try to do this job with the power supply turned off. Okay, if you cannot do it because you have to test these little guys when you're done, then you have to use the power, but be very careful. Okay, so let's turn the power back on and see if the switches are gonna work. So we have the master right here, and the other one is the slave. Now on the slave we can be able to turn Let me move on this side. Check on the dimming of these light bulbs. We can be able to dim it all the way down or all the way up. How we do it right here. See? They're pretty much gone. But we can turn it back on. Right here. There it is. Now, notice that I cannot turn it all the way off right here only until I move to the master. Yes, it will turn off. For sure it will turn off. But there's always gonna be a little noise at the light bulb, especially because it's not being controlled by the master. And the master is over here, and this is where it turns off right away. When you do it, it will turn off right away. So there you go. Now you have these two dimmers working together on a three-way thanks to the technology, and we have our demonstration done. Thank you very much for watching my video. This is AC Ball Electrical again. Please share my video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll be showing more videos coming up on the electrical. We're gonna be checking grounding, we're gonna be checking boxes, replacements of breakers. There is tons of videos to show you from, and also air conditioning and refrigeration. Thank you very much again. Thank you for being here. AC Ball Electrical. See you next time.
Y la tiene chiquita.
Y así la quieres, cabrón.